Hey, I'm Parl. Thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about DRI clean and restoration. But before we get into that, I want to discuss shed some light on three different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say you type in water damage restoration Fresno. There's three top positions that you'd want to be found and where you can get the most audience. So the first way on how you can be found is the sponsored area here. Now, in order to get here, you got to pay for ads, uh, for Google Ads, and that'll get you up here. The second way on how you can be found, is the Google Map Pack area. And in order to get in these three top positions, where 30% of your business will be acquired, you need to be up to date on your citations, along with your reviews and also with photos and 100% optimization. So with those things, that'll be a good start. Um, Now the third way on how you can be found is what we call the organic section. Yelp holds the top position in the Fresno area. Balance Comfort holds the local, and ServPro. So these three top positions, where 70% of your business will be found, go or can be acquired in these top three positions. If you're not in any of these positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. But quick note: the reason why Yelp is up here is because they are pushing at a national level. So with that being said, let's dive right in. So let's talk about DRI, clean and restoration. You do have your logo up here. You don't really need it here. What Google really loves in one of the things about your website is content. So to Google, content is king. Now, when you talk about content, you're talking about words of content on your home page. So it ends right there. So it looks like you don't even have maybe 10, 15 words of content. What Google really loves is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is what Google loves and what they like to see. And embedded in that content, Google loves about a keyword that you are using for every 250 words. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at your competitor, which was, let's take a quick look, Balanced Comfort. So here's what Balanced Comfort's website looks like. They do have lots of drop downs here, along with different areas that they service. So um, as well, their content maybe has about 200 words of content. Here's the keyword restoration, but it does not look like it was saved properly in this content. So in a nutshell, I mean, you can definitely blow these guys out of the water in content alone. So with that being said, that's pretty much what content uh, is and what Google looks for. So next, I do want to discuss about backlinking and also keywords and how important they are. So this is a tool right here. Anyone can buy it. It's called Ahrefs, and I put DRI restoration in it. And this is basically a bird's eye view of what your website is doing. So we can monitor any website that's out there right now. So Google, what Google looks for, and what they're rated. So it looks like it's not very strong. Your website is not very trusted. So it's almost like you guys just barely got put on the map with your website because you are only pulling 27 traffic out of it. Now, I mean, since you're optimizing your website and you purchased your website, you want to make sure that it works for you, and also uh, you want a lot of backlinks and everything going to your website. So just a quick look at your organic keywords that you are using. So DRI restoration, it looks like these are the keywords that are pulling through your website. Now the traffic that you're getting is not very much, so these are the numbers here. So you're not getting very much traffic now. Since you made an investment, you always got to make sure that it works for you. So let's take a quick look at your competitors' backlink profile. Balanced comfort. This is their strength and their trust. They have a whopping 2.4K traffic that are going through their website right now. Now, these two numbers should be matching their trust. So, I mean, they're just probably just throwing a bunch of non-organic stuff to their website, and it's not helping them. So, but all we would have to do is do what these guys are doing and then some, and that'll bring your numbers up within time for the long game. So, with that being said, that's about all I have for you. I hope that this information is useful to you. Now let's do a quick recap. Now the 3 different ways on how you can be found is the sponsored area up here. You can get up here with Google Ads, usually pretty pricey, but you do want to get up here in the top 30 positions. That way 30% of your business can be found here. 70% of your business will be acquired through these top 3 positions of the organic section. Now, with that being said, I hope that this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide to help you get you to the top, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I am with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me by email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your day, for your time, and I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye-bye.